Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious carnivore deviled eggs. First, hard-boil 6 to 8 large eggs for 10 to 12 minutes to ensure firm, perfectly cooked yolks. Once boiled, immediately transfer them to an ice bath. This stops the cooking process and helps prevent that greenish ring around the yolk. After they've cooled completely, carefully peel the eggs under a gentle stream of running water. This trick makes peeling much easier and keeps the whites intact for a beautiful presentation. Now let's create that irresistible creamy filling. Carefully have each peeled egg lengthwise and gently scoop out the bright yellow yolks into a small bowl. Using a fork, mash the yolks until they are smooth. Then, mix in 2 to 3 tablespoons of your preferred carnivore-friendly binder, like mayonnaise or rendered bacon fat. Stir in 1/2 teaspoon of mustard powder and a generous pinch of salt to enhance the flavor profile. To elevate your deviled eggs, consider these carnivore-approved flavor boosts. For a delightful crunch and savory depth, fold in 2 tablespoons of finely crumbled crispy bacon. If you enjoy a bit more zest, incorporate 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder into the yolk mixture. For those who can tolerate a little spice on their carnivore journey, a small dash of your favorite hot sauce can add a wonderful kick without compromising your diet. Finally, it's time to assemble and serve your delicious deviled eggs. You can either pipe the creamy yolk mixture back into the hollowed-out egg whites using a pastry bag, or simply spoon it in for a more rustic look. Garnish each egg with a light sprinkle of paprika for color, or add a few extra bacon bits for more flavor. For the best taste and texture, chill your deviled eggs for at least 30 minutes before serving them to your eager guests.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.